In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate reports in DocuSign eSignature. Whether you're looking to keep track of your electronic agreements or simply want to understand your signing patterns, DocuSign provides a powerful set of reporting tools. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to go to the DocuSign website. It's #1 in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it the ideal choice for businesses and individuals looking to streamline their documentation processes. The homepage is your gateway to a variety of services, but today we're focusing on the Reports feature. Next, you'll want to click on the Login button. If you're already familiar with the platform, this will be second nature. But if you're new to DocuSign, simply look for the Login option, prominently displayed on the site. Once clicked, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account securely. After logging in, navigate over to the DocuSign Home. This is your base of operations within the platform. It's a well-organized hub that offers you access to all the main features of the service, including Document Manager, templates, and more. But most importantly for today is where you'll find the gateway to your reports. Now, on the DocuSign Home, you'll see an option called Reports. Click on it to venture into the reporting section of DocuSign. This area is packed with a variety of tools aimed at helping you gain insights into your document processing activities. Whether you need to monitor your team's performance or check the status of sent documents, this is where you'll start. Once you've entered the Reports section, look for the My Dashboard link and give it a click. This is where the magic really happens. My Dashboard
is designed to provide you with personalized insights into your document workflow. It's a comprehensive dashboard that features an array of widgets, graphs, and charts, all aimed at helping you visualize your data in an easily digestible format. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the ability to navigate reports in DocuSign effectively. This powerful feature can provide you with crucial insights into your document management processes and help you make informed decisions regarding your electronic signature activities. Remember to explore the different widgets available on My Dashboard to customize it to better suit your needs and achieve optimal results. We've covered the key steps, from logging into your DocuSign account to accessing the reports, and finally using My Dashboard. With these tools, you can gain valuable insights into your document flows, optimize your processes, and ultimately ensure that you're getting the most out of your DocuSign experience. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting. Thanks for watching.